As some of you may remember, almost 2 years ago, we pulled our Dodge Shadow autocross car out of the barn with the intentions of getting it back into roadworthy condition and putting it on the market for sale. I'll leave a link in the description to that video if you're interested. I know it's been a while, but over the winter, we finally tore into this thing and were pleasantly surprised at the condition of the engine, especially considering that it's got 225,000 miles on the odometer. As you can see here, the cam journals look great with almost no visible wear, as were the cylinders. The crosshatch was still visible with virtually no ring groove at the top. We believe most of this can be attributed to the use of Mobil 1 for most of its life and frequent oil changes. All we've done here is clean the heads and check them for flatness. The cams also seem to be in great condition with only minimal wear. As did the cam caps and the rocker arms. All the rollers spin freely with hardly any side play at all. Even the valve guides are in great shape, as you'll see here.
And this is with no oil, which would be looser. And it's like, I mean, there's a little bit, but I mean, there's nothing there. I mean, they're just in great shape. That's just a dab, okay? And we're gonna keep it up in there. Turn it around a little bit. Feel that? And that's, you see how little oil I put on it? I mean, let's see.
Yeah.
There might be something, but I mean,
No,
and that's just,
hardly anything.
and that's, I'll just put a little more oil on it now, like normally it would be. No.
There you go. Didn't get up in there. It's tight.
It's really nice.
So TG proceeded to clean the valve springs and valves, and then hand lapped each valve to its original seat. New valve stem seals were installed. And the heads reassembled. Rocker shafts tightened and torqued to spec. New Felpro head gaskets installed on cleaned pistons. New water pump installed. Cylinder heads torqued. New timing belt, idler, and tensioner. Next, we turn our attention to the intake manifold. I always thought this was a pretty good looking manifold. And this is the stock casting. As is, we didn't do any porting at all. Lower manifold gaskets installed. Lower manifold installed. New injectors installed. All the hardware cleaned and painted. Fuel rails installed. Injector wiring harness installed, along with upper gaskets. And finally, the upper plenum installed. Now we can get this thing inside and turn our attention to freshening up the exhaust system. Stay tuned.